Hey there, are you tired of getting bombarded with support emails, notifications from Instagram on your PC? Well, you're in luck because I'm here to show you how to disable them with just a few simple steps. First things first, open up your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head over to the bottom left corner and look for the More icon or the three dots. Click on it to open up the options menu. Next, find and click on Notifications. This will take you to the notification settings where you can customize the types of notifications you receive. Now, look for Emails. Notifications and click on it. This will bring up a list of different email notification options. Scroll down until you find Support Emails and click on it. Here, you'll see an option to turn off Support Emails notifications. Simply click on Off to disable Support Emails notifications, and you're all set. You'll no longer receive those pesky emails cluttering up your inbox. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily disable Support Emails notifications from Instagram on your PC. So go ahead and give it a try. Your inbox will thank you later. Thanks for watching.